Hello and welcome to my channel, LB Plans. My name is Elle, and today I wanted to share with you guys my flip through for the month of January in my Wonderland 222. If you are new here, hi, my name is Elle. I like to post videos on budgeting, planning, and a little bit of lifestyle content. If that interests you, won't you please be so kind to hit the subscribe button? And if you found anything helpful in this video, give me a like. For everyone that's already subscribed, all of my 840 subscribers, nope, 42 as of this morning. Thank you guys and welcome back. So this is my Wonderland 222. I do have the all-in-one A5 and I have the clear cover over it. So this is the vellum from the Sterling ink kit. So I just tucked it in. I don't know. I don't want to cut the vellum, but I thought this was a good way to use it without like destroying it because it is so gorgeous. So I did purchase the Sterling ink kit for January. I purchased it, but I didn't get the whole kit. So these are my, like, I used everything that I purchased. This was the strips. I found out in the February kit that it doesn't come with strips. So I'm thinking about buying those, and I wasn't aware that you get the, oh look, it's stuck together, but I could throw this all away. Like I used everything. I even used the in-between of the strips, but you can go online to purchase the strips. And this freebie, I used it for this month. I don't see much of a use for it going forward, but you never know. So I think it's helpful to have. And my kit is on washi paper, so it's very transparent and it stops the bulk in the pages. So let's jump on into January. So what do we want to start? Let's start with my tracking. And I'm a little wobbly today because something is off. Let me see one more time if I can fix it. I hope that fixed it. So, all right, so let's go to, I think I put that under months. I did pretty good on my tracking. Not the best, but you know, I had some moments that I didn't stay consistent. It is what it is. So for January, I did print the freebie vellum and I taped it in or tipped it in or whatever. I like to tape on this side, so where the tape folds in this way, but I don't know what I actually did. I finally figured out why I was having such a problem printing, and it seems like every time I printed the freebie in A5, the sizing was always off. Open it in PDF. Like you can't, it has to be in Adobe to print at the correct, for me, in my printer, I have to have it in Adobe for it to print correctly. So my January to-do list, let's see, for a lot of the pen that I used the most that I gravitated towards was my TWSBI Cream and Rose Gold, and it has the African Gold by Robert Oyster ink in here. I found that I picked this up more, and this is in a extra fine nib. However, I did realize that sometimes when I was writing, like, I don't know if the ink got cold or it was drying up or something, but I'll have like these little light moments that I don't really care for. But for the most part, I think I did a pretty good job on my goals. My monthly, just keeping it simple. And like I said, I used everything in there. So hindsight 2020, if you do want to purchase Sterling ink, I would definitely recommend getting the actual subscription kit because it comes with a whole lot more stickers. And I tried to keep it more functional for me, so I kind of found a little format that works. So at the top, I'm using that section as my weather, and then at the bottom, I'm using meals, and then the center is to-do lists and events, and that so far has been working out for me, and I just kind of stayed with it. This was the week from hell, but yeah. And as you can see, I did pull a lot of the gold and the black. But then even here, I used my TWSBI grape or purple transparent. And inside here is a ink called Pink Squirrel by Robert Oyster. And I thought it gave a little bit of extra color and dimension. So I kind of went back and forth between those. And then I did my overview, and I was super excited on how this turned out. So I decided I wanted that visual separation. So instead of using the vellum, I just printed out the February freebie. I've originally in my plan with me, I had the vellum here, but I pulled it up and put it actually in a B6. So let's go to my journaling. And now I'm thinking about going back and getting the tabs. Oh, we can kind of go over January budget just briefly. Where is it? Here it goes. So I used a little bit of deco because I thought that I was going to oh, I have more than enough. I did not have enough. So I used it in my January budgeting. And then now I want the tabs for January because I used it for the budget side for February, and I'm like, gotta have it. And so I gotta put this picture here. I need to print it and put it here from New Year's Day. But as you can see, I kind of stuck with the ink. I tried blue, didn't like it, but I also was writing it with a glass dip pen. Didn't like it. And you can see the colors. I realized that I do like writing more in cursive than I do in print. So and I felt like I journaled more than I expected. This is where I got my new ink. This is a Australia's Rose, and I just kind of wrote in there. And so you'll see that different color. But I plan to really use that for February. And then we lead into the page for February. So super quick video. I just wanted to share what my month looked like in the month of January using the Sterling ink kit. Like I said, I used everything. I even found ways to use the in-between trim of that into the lines. Where are they? Where are they? Like, I was using everything, but it's really a really gorgeous kit, and I did enjoy it. If you have any questions for me, drop them down below. Until my next video, you guys take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye.